Love should be easy. Why should it not?
All right, this next question is from Dane, or Dane, it could go either way. It says, "Hi George, I was studying a bit and I got stuck on a small grammar issue. What's the difference when I say, 私は日本にいる間結婚しました and 私は日本にいる間に結婚しました Thanks." All right, let's go ahead and look at it. Okay, first let's analyze this first sentence. I went ahead and marked each of the particles in green so you can see where they are because we're missing a particle in the next sentence. So we have 私は, I am the topic. Talking about me, what about me? 日本にいる間. 日本にいる間 means while I was in Japan. 結婚しました. I got married. Okay, so while I was in Japan, I got married, or I got married while I was in Japan. All right, now let's look at your other sentence. 私は日本にいる間に結婚しました. Okay, this literally has no different meaning. The only difference is Japanese sometimes drop particles, and they here had dropped the ni for marking a time. The time that they got married was while you were in Japan. It's literally no change. Okay, so we could even say, you could literally get away with saying 私日本いる間結婚しました. You could get away with that and it would make sense. I, while in Japan, got married. Okay, so there are some particles that you can never drop, but ni can be dropped. You could say, for example, instead of saying 東京に行きました, I went to Japan, you could say 東京行きました. You could say, and everyone knows because it's so obvious that the ni would come there on that marking of the location where you went. It's obviously dropped there. Now, with times, you can do it too. Like 3月に行きます. I'm going to go in March. Could be 3月行きます. I'm going in March. And they would know. It's common. It's natural. All right. Thank you for the question.